Happy, ano, happy dance? Happy dance. Play. Play.
With this car, with the visibility of 10 kilometers.
Touchdown, boys! Ayan, meron din silang motorbike for rent. Kung gusto nyo mag-DIY, it's 400 per 24 hours na yan. And kung gusto nyo DIY, kung wala naman kayong kasamang bagets and hindi kayo reggy. Yan. Hanap ng foodang! Hungarian! Ay, mukha naman busog. Fish. Ali rice. Okay. Tigda dalawang kaldero. Adobong kambing. Wow. Sino mga gutom? Goods. Yung kambing. Goods. Ano? Eh.
Papamay ko talaga.
Ikaw? Kilala mo pa ako? Uy, mamaya po. Ayan na. Hindi yan order mo. Maliit lang po sa'yo. Potato corner. Baka thank you po. Go. A white sand. Ano ba ngayon? Sunday. Sa Tuesday. Sige, ubad slippers. Anyari? Cheers! Parang merong food, parang ano ba tawag dito? Parang food park, food something. And then meron siyang mini playground. Maraming klase, massage, Resto, drinks, Kinemberlo, Equaboo. Ayan. Oo, kala ko nangungulangot ka pa dyan eh.
Opo ha.
Yeah. Good night. Off na yung lights. Good night.